Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Have you ever wondered how to build wealth with just $500 a month? Imagine transforming that small investment into over $1 million. Sounds unbelievable? Stick around, because I'm about to tell you how it's possible with three powerful Vanguard ETFs, VU, VUG, and VONG. Thanks for tuning in, viewers. If you're finding this content valuable, there's so much more to come, filled with even more amazing tips, tricks, and inspiration. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay connected with us and never miss out. And while you're at it, drop a comment below and share this video with your friends. Let's kick things off by introducing these three ETFs. VU provides investors with a straightforward and efficient way to invest in U.S. equities. With VU, investors gain an opportunity to diversify their portfolio, experiencing both growth and stability, while aligning with market performance through one of the most esteemed indexes in the world. With VU, investment becomes more approachable, empowering individuals to participate in the success of America's leading businesses. VUG selects companies demonstrating potential for long-term expansion, capitalizing on their market presence and innovative strategies. The fund seeks to capitalize on trends. VUG stands out by not only choosing the right companies but by expertly navigating the complexities of the market to deliver impressive returns, proving its commitment to harnessing growth opportunities within the S&P 500 and beyond. VONG's strategy focuses on identifying promising mid-cap companies, seeking out those with potential for significant appreciation in value. By honing in on this specific market segment, VONG aims to capitalize on the transformative growth these companies often experience, making them appealing choices for investors seeking high returns. The pursuit of innovation and expansion within these firms presents a wealth of opportunities. Now, let's break down how these investments work for you. First, investing $500 monthly combines the power of dollar-cost averaging. You purchase shares over time, avoiding the risk of investing a lump sum. This strategy reduces your investment cost over time. Next, let's talk about compounding. As time passes, compounding becomes your ally, turning even modest contributions into significant wealth, especially when these ETFs consistently provide strong returns. By allowing your investment to mature, you unlock the potential for substantial financial growth. Embracing the power of long-term investing, particularly with high-yielding ETFs, can lead to remarkable financial transformations that pave the way to future stability and prosperity. Remember, patience and perseverance in your investment journey can yield impressive results over time. To put this into perspective, if you invest $500 every month for 30 years, averaging that 10%, you could surpass $1 million. This illustrates the magic of long-term investing with ETFs like VU, VUG, and VONG. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF hasn't been around for 30 or 40 years. Vanguard launched the fund in September 2010. Since its inception, the ETF has delivered an average annual total return of 13.6%. If you were able to make this higher return, your $500 per month would grow to over $1 million in only 24 years. After 30 years, you'd amass a fortune of over $2.2 million. Since its inception in September 2010, the Vanguard S&P 500 Growth ETF has generated an average annual return of 16.4%. If you were able to obtain this return and invested $500 per month, your money would grow to a little over $4 million in 30 years. You'd have $1 million within 22 years. Can the Vanguard S&P 500 Growth ETF continue to deliver such a lofty return over the next several decades? Probably not. However, I think this fund could nonetheless turn $500 per month into over $1 million for those who begin investing at an early age. There's no guarantee that the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF will generate an average return of 13.6% or even 10%. However, those returns are certainly possible. One of the advantages of the S&P 500 is that it regularly replaces laggards with rising stars. It's also weighted by market cap, which means the stocks that grow the most affect the index's performance the most. Like the other two ETFs on our list, this Vanguard ETF began trading in September 2010. Since its inception, the fund has generated an average annual return of 16.9%. That makes it the best performing ETF in the Vanguard family. How long would it take to make $1 million investing $500 per month at that return? Less than 21 years. If you kept socking away money for 30 years, you'd have nearly $4.5 million. Again, there's no way to know for sure whether the Vanguard Russell 1000 Growth ETF will provide such a sky-high return over the long term. I wouldn't count on it. But this Vanguard ETF could still provide a great vehicle for investors to make $1 million or more for retirement. Here's a relatable example. Picture a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining size and speed. Your investments act similarly. Initially small, but with consistent contributions and time, they can become massive. To summarize, investing just $500 monthly into VU, VUG, and VONG can potentially lead to considerable growth. By consistently investing a fixed amount, you maximize your potential gains. These strategies help build wealth. Embracing dollar-cost averaging alongside the power of compounding returns lays a solid foundation for financial success, ensuring that your investments grow steadily over time. This approach ultimately fosters a secure and prosperous future. So, here's your special tip. Consider setting your investments on autopilot. You can effortlessly build a secure financial future as your investments work for you over time. Automated contributions simplify your journey. In this way, you can achieve your financial goals while enjoying peace of mind, knowing your wealth is steadily increasing. Embrace automation and watch your financial dreams turn into reality, free from daily worries and distractions. Your future self will thank you for these smart choices today. In the ever-changing world of finance, remaining adaptable and informed is crucial. As you move forward, always remember to utilize the knowledge and expertise of others. Keep striving for success and wisdom. By taking these steps, you not only enhance your understanding but also increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. Remember, the journey involves continuous learning and proactive measures, ensuring a secure and prosperous future. If you found this information valuable, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Like and share this video with friends wanting to improve their financial future. Thank you for watching and happy investing. See you in the next video.